Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Ruijie Reyee Access Point and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings and you do not have access to the Ruijie cloud. Now it's advisable to do it via the cloud if you can, but one of the reasons you might want to do this is for troubleshooting, and if you're having any issues with this this device not responding or not connecting, or if it seems to be lagging and things like that, or it's not detected, a hard reset from the unit itself can be a good solution. Also, if you're just giving this away and you just want to go straight to the hardware and go ahead and do a reset, we can actually do this reset straight from the hardware. So all we need to do if we want to do that is we're going to find the reset hole, which is not necessarily obvious, but it's right next to this jack here, this indentation here. This is the reset hole, and you will need a paper clip or something like that to press that button. So what you'll do is you will need to press with power to the device, press and hold this for more than 5 seconds. And if you press and hold that button with power to it for more than 5 seconds, that will cause the access point to reset to its factory default settings, IP address, and everything will be restored to the factory defaults.